Random runs in the morning. You see how I warm up. Behind the back, cross jab between the legs, spin move, side step. Oh, in his face. He don't want this. Give me this ball back, man. Hoodie coach up in this building. Dry cough. Bought a mic. Forgot to turn it on. I was wearing a mic. Forgot to turn that on. Anyways, left hand hook. This fool was fighting before the game, so I decided to give him a taste of his own medicine. Nice and slow, you know how I roll. Between the legs, change of speed, change of level. Hit him with a slow Luca step. Next game, split the double, up and under. Only thing worse than not turning on your mic is pointing the camera in the wrong direction, man. I'm still out of it, trying to get back into it. Little shake, hit him with a lefty lay. Biggest dude, strongest dude in the gym, got him spinning around backwards. Told him he needed to get his weight up. As I went by him, give him that little flex. You know, you a little baby. He's way stronger than me. Oh, behind the leg. Oh my God, did you guys see that? Behind the leg, behind the back, behind the leg. He hacked the crap out of me. Didn't want to end up on the mixtape. I'll give it to him anyways. Behind the back to the OG. He passed open a wide open layup, said he was off balance. Best shooter in the gym misses it. We both mad. I'm crying on the wall. They throw the ball ahead. Game winner. Big OG realizes that was game. Oh my God, he's so pissed. We're all heated. Next game, screw this. Let's turn it up a little bit. You know I'll come across with the righty hook. Perfect dime to a hooper who just freaking drops the ball and goes out of bounds. So I say, oh my God, let's hurry up and get out this place. Sharing is caring. Outlet it ahead. He can hoop. Look at this behind the back. Sham got up and around Dr. J for the tough bucket.
Pretty sure we lost this game, but if you can wake up and hoop a little bit, I'll consider that a win.